guys. So we're on our way to PetSmart to buy a pet parakeet, and we're on our way right now.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna show you us going.
Turn right to New York 33
You can
East.
see this is Buffalo. So if you don't live in Buffalo, you wanna know how it looks. Here, this is how it looks. It's pretty sunny actually in Buffalo. It's pretty sunny. PetSmart.
You see the PetSmart? It's so fun.
You can see PetSmart where you go.
Oh, look at that cute dog.
I think someone adopted a dog today, I think.
Or maybe they bought it at PetSmart.
Well, second time going to a pet store now.
Yeah. Second.
So now we're getting in. And yeah, this is it. Okay. Oh look, After, want to see these animals?
Mommy, stop.
Do you see those lizards?
No, see the bird.
Yeah, and oh look, the birds. Birds are here.
I see
Oh, this is a. So this is the parakeet. This is the blue kind. So yeah.
They're so cute. Oh, buddy, come here. Hamster.
So those are guinea pigs.
Mommy, I always want to.
Toys for the bird.
Yeah. That looks nice. Get it. Get up there. Get it. It looks nice.
It's a nibble.
Yeah, run.
It's a mirror and it can stand close to daddy.
Okay.
Okay, I got it. Get it. I think that's where up there looks nice. Yeah. Get it. If you can reach it. It's pretty. Mommy, it's a help photo. It's a now.
Let me help you.
All the way up. Thank
Oh,
you.
good.
Put in the basket. No, this is too big.
এটা বলো এটা কি?
Oh, this is fruit flavor food for parakeets. Well, we got a mixed one. Daddy. Oh look, shower.
Get it. Get the
এটা কি
shower.
শাওয়ার করবে?
See, daddy shower করতে হবে.
Yeah, shower. Good. Look at shower.
Oh, this.
What's that?
Oh, this is water. No, this is not the water one. Where's the water one?
Mommy, water now. Water.
Water. Oh, there the water one is.
No, in the water now.
Daddy, look at it.
Mommy, thank you.
You already got the big one.
So you just had your bird?
Yeah, we did.
Okay.
It's right in here. I can feel it moving.
I can't see it.
Well, I can't see it, but I know it's moving. You just got the bird now,
Yeah.
and say welcome to it. Welcome, you bird. This is your new home.
And
So yeah,
my
it's gonna be living here. We're not gonna keep it on this chair. We're gonna put it somewhere else.
and the green one is mango.
Yeah. And my sister's bird is the green one. She
Yeah.
named her Mango.
But you
And-
didn't name yours one? Did you name
We're
mine?
gonna open the cage now. And the purple bluish one, I called it blueberry.
Yeah, that's
And yeah, so send like one your finger.
yeah.
But be careful, they can fly out sometime. And yeah, it's toy.
And he's a
This is its food bowl. This is its water bowl.
This is a mess.
Oh yeah, and this is like a nest where if they get a baby, they could put it inside there.
If it grows, then
Oh yeah, and there's a cuddle bone right here.
yeah.
There's this thing that they bite out, and then they spit it out. And we thought this cage is good. When we went to PetSmart, they said this cage is just perfect for 2 birds and 3. So yeah, this is a good idea. Well, bye bye guys.